Hi, this is Tammy from Snazzy Moon Designs. Today we're going to show you how to sublimate a tote bag. Let's get started. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a 100% polyester tote bag, which we purchased ours from Michael. This is the brand that we buy. It's like $2 a bag, I believe.
100% polyester.
Yes.
The higher the polyester count, the better. And it's best if you use a white color.
Okay, first thing you want to do is measure to see what size image will fit. You got to take into account this seam right here. If you want to go below that, because if not, your press will not go flat because of that. So I would only go 9 inches, because then you got the seam at the bottom as well. So 9 inches long, and then you could go up to 12 inches wide.
So 9 by 12.
Yes, 9 by 12 would be your best.
Okay.
For this size tote bag.
And we're going to print this design using the Epson 15,000. This design here I have, and it is approximately 8 by 8, so we're within our measurements. We'll go ahead and print this out and continue from there.
Okay, so our design is finished with the printing now. So now we're going to take it over here and cut it out. You don't want to cut it straight, because that could just show up on your design on here when you press it. I prefer to cut around it, but some people will tear it. I just prefer to use scissors and cut it. Kind of just around in a circle, so it's just not straight edges. There we go. And then we're gonna take the bag over to the heat press. I've already laid my paper, my parchment paper in between. Easier to do it now instead of always on the press.
Do not forget to put the parchment paper in between, or it'll bleed through to the back.
And we're gonna press this at 380 for 40 seconds. So we'll take this over here. You want to get this on here to where your handles are down like this, and that seam I pointed out earlier is hanging over, so it doesn't get under the press. And then you want to press your bag, just get some of the wrinkles out, just for a couple seconds.
Just like ironing it first.
Yes. Yeah, just a couple seconds, that's all. And then after that, whoops, you want to take a lint roller to it. You want to make sure there's no lint, our case, lint or dog fur. Because that will pick it up in your design.
You'll see like little blue specks if you have lint when you print it.
You want to make sure this is the most difficult part for me, is making sure that it's all lined up right. You want it centered. And I prefer to put tape, the heat tape. Some people will use Easy Tack to adhere it to the bag, but I prefer to use the heat tape. That's just my preference.
The Easy Tack is like for bigger
yes, I
designs.
don't feel it really moves with this. See how you got this seam right here? So I'm making sure I don't go down to that. There, that looks pretty even. Just a couple pieces of tape. Usually do one on each side. Then you want to put, and I did put parchment paper under it. And don't forget in between it, and then on top.
Under, in between, and on top.
Now we're ready to press it.
380 for 40 seconds.
Yes. Okay, we're down to 5 seconds left. Almost done. And you want to immediately take your design off when it's finished. And it is hot.
You peel it while it's on there?
Yes. There you go.
Looks like very colorful. No ghosting.
And it shouldn't have bled through because we put the paper in between here, so no bleeding through the bag. Just the one side. And that's it.
Very nice. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.